My name's Erica. I'm a content creator. Today, I'll be sharing with you 3 fall DIYs. Let's get started. Start by pulling apart the star and shaping it into a handle. Undo the pumpkin twine and tie it to the wooden loop. Now I will pull apart the stem and try them before securing them. I am also using these party bag ties to secure them. There is no glue needed. I bought these 2 stems that look very similar. I will also pull them apart and decide what I will be using. This is all that one stem had. Go ahead and try different leaves and pumpkins until I really like the placement of them, and then I will secure them. I absolutely loved these mini velvet pumpkins. just wanted to use these small lights, and they turned out to be great. They are like a wire that you wrap around. I started from the top left and worked my way around. They look very nice. I ended up doing a second wreath with all the leftover supplies. I added a bow, and I already had the ribbon, and I really liked the end result. The brown, the greens, the grays. It looks really nice. Should I add a bow? So I ended up adding a bow, and I already had the ribbon. I really love the way it turned out. It looks so beautiful, and the bow actually completed the final look. Let's get started with the pumpkin topiary. I decided to change the colors on the pumpkins. And work your way to the top. I added eucalyptus leaves that I had left over, and I already had this pot, so all I added was the topiary. able to decorate this tier stand with some of the leftover supplies that I had. It turned out really nice. The coasters were one of my favorite things to do. I went ahead and painted some letters, fall of course, and allowed it to dry. They turned out so cute that I don't want to use them as coasters. I'd rather use them as a fall sign. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you haven't done so, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thank you and happy DIYing. See you in my next video.